how to change your name on Facebook. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address or phone number. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen and it will take you to the menu. After that, tap on the gear icon available in the top right corner to go to the settings, or you can also scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy and tap on the settings. So after you are inside the settings, then tap on the account center inside settings. Then inside the account center, tap on the profiles on the top. After that, choose your Facebook profile. Then you'll get to see name option available there. Tap on it. Now simply change any name you prefer. So here I am changing my first name. You can enter your new first and last name in the provided fields according to your preferences. Then simply continue with the process. Then your name will be successfully changed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.